Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'd do a little mini vlog for you because today is the first day that I've gone back to the gym, and I took little Florence with me, and she was such a good girl. She sat in her pushchair, she had a little bowl of snacks and the tablet, and we just watched her program, so that was really good. And now we've come to a nearby country park. We're gonna have a little explore, aren't we? Yeah. And two more chips. Yeah. Florence, I grabbed a coffee from McDonald's and Florence asked me for some chips, and now she doesn't want to eat them, so I'm asking her to eat them before we go. Go.
Look,
What?
the grass is frozen.
It is, isn't it? Beautiful, doesn't it? Don't you think it looks beautiful?
Yeah.
I think it looks very pretty when it's all frozen.
Because I don't want in a minute.
Okay, you're going to run, are you?
Yeah.
But mind you don't fall over.
Okay. I won't die too fast.
Okay.
Fall in the water.
No.
There's no ducks in there.
No ducks in there, no.
Ducks don't sleep in there.
No.
Because they're not big water.
No, there's a bigger lake down here, isn't there? We'll go and see it, shall we?
Yep. But how look in there?
I don't think we should go in there today, Florence. It's pretty icy. Oh, can you see the little robin? Oh, it's just flew away. Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
this is very.
We found the ducks. There's lots of them, isn't there?
Yeah, tell them.
Okay.
Be careful. Be careful.
All right, I'll be careful. I don't want to fall over.
No. More water.
More water.
I want a bridge.
Oh, yeah.
I see the bridge when we take a picture. It's more water.
Yeah, it goes out there and then it goes into the big lake, doesn't it?
And then
Come on then.
we don't look to do.
Have we?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've got a long way to go, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're having a long walk.
Yeah. Water.
Wow, this is... Look, it was ice, Florence. See the ice here?
Yeah.
But the sunshine is melting it, so we're left with all these wet puddles.
Oh, it's wet.
Yeah.
We are breaking it.
Are you? Can you hear it crunching? Can you hear it breaking?
Yeah.
That's right. We're breaking it with our feet, aren't we? It's cracking. Whoa, look at that. It's very slippery. Be careful, darling. Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, Francis.
It's lovely sunshine.
Yeah.
Are we nearly there?
Yeah.
Okay. Florence, would you like to sit on this bench and look at the water?
Yeah. Mum.
Mhm. Do you want me to lift you up?
No.
Well done. Now we sit here. This is nice, isn't it? Does Blue Bunny like it?
Yes,
I like it.
Turn on. Yes, Dad.
Are we finished sitting, are we? We're going to go?
Yeah. Mum. I saw that the place where we go.
Pardon?
I saw that's the place where we go.
Is it? Okay. What's that noise, Florence?
No, not there.
Want to climb up there?
Yeah.
I think that's a bit wet and slippery, Florence.
That's right.
But you haven't got your wellies on, darling. Get wet feet.
Yes, go up there.
Okay.
You're doing that bit. I'm doing that.
Okay, that's a good idea.
I saw this is the place.
Is this the
Where we
place?
go.
Throw it away from the edge, please. Oh, we've come to a crossroads, Florence. Which way are we going to go?
Maybe up there.
Up there, okay.
I saw this is going to be this way up there.
Okay, let's see, shall we?
Yeah.
All right.
You hold my blue bunny and just hold hands.
Okay, darling. It's very sunny, isn't it? Is there any animals in the field?
Animals. Oh, you. It's like down there.
Okay, darling, let's go.
Be careful, it might be slippery.
Okay.
So I might flash it if we do this.
I think it's okay here, Florence, because the sun has melted all the ice. It's beautiful, isn't it? I'm really enjoying this walk, are you?
Yeah. There might be animals down there.
Okay, let's see. I hope there is.
Let's see that way.
Okay.
Be careful.
All right.
You don't like that.
Okay. Down there. I don't think we can go that way, sweetie,
Why?
because there's no path and it's slippery and I can hear water. We don't want to fall in the water, do we?
Is there water down there?
There is. Can you see it? It's going quite fast, isn't it?
About to go that way.
There's no path that way. Why don't we follow that path that we were just on? See where it takes us. There's a bridge down there.
Yeah. So yeah, stay down.
Okay.
Might be sheep down there.
Might be sheep. Oh, we got steps here, Florence.
Oh, yeah. careful.
All right, thank
Look,
you.
it's lovely.
Okay, darling, thank you.
Look, Mum.
What can you see?
What's that?
Ice. It's all icy, darling.
There's more ice.
These steps are very icy.
Yeah.
So we need to go slowly, don't we?
Oh,
Do you want to hold my hand?
uh,
Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, look at that lovely bridge. Are you going to go first?
yeah.
Okay, I'll follow you, okay?
Water down there.
Mm-hmm.
Hello, water.
Well done, darling. Can you see any sheep yet?
This is what I can see.
Okay. I don't know if they're out today. That's it, don't go any closer because we don't want to fall in that water.
Is that there?
Up there, that's a big hill to climb.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
This was not wet.
Is it not? No, it's icy still, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, this is a big rock.
Mm-hmm. It is. What do you think?
Mum,
Yeah,
come with me.
come with you, okay.
It's not slippery. So, I don't climb up.
Come on then.
You can do it.
Thank you. I can, can't I?
And then I think you can climb up. And you pick up.
Oh, Florence, look what I can see over there. There is a sheep.
We found the sheep.
Should we head that way?
Yeah. Baby. Oh, I'm sure there's a sheep hut there.
Yeah, I'm sure. I can see, wow, loads of sheep, darling.
See them. And
Come on.
it's a closer look.
A closer look, good idea. There's a nice bench there. We could sit on the bench and watch the sheep. Oh, I see it.
Sheep. Come to Florence.
Come to Florence.
What's that? Sheep. Sheep. The sheep's not hear me. And what's this?
Mud. It's just mud.
So this is a place.
I think it's the place, Florence.
Think.
We've come a little off track, haven't we?
Yeah, track.
But we did say we wanted a nature walk, didn't we?
Yeah.
With- We go round in a circle. We're nearly there, Florence.
Huh?
We're nearly there.
Okay. So this is the way back.
Yeah. Your little legs are doing so well. We made it to the top, Florence. Woohoo! Well, I think that's the cow that we heard when we first got here.
Must be the sheep.
We're very high.
Yeah.
Florence.
Where's that?
Florence, come here.
Why?
So don't we near the edge. There we go. Let's go. Finish this little track and we made it. At the end of the trail. Slowly. Nice and slowly. Good girl, you are doing that so carefully. Well done. Good job.
There's a little bridge there.
Oh yes, we love bridges, don't we?
Yeah.
Let's go over the bridge. Stay in the middle, okay?
Mine door.
Okay, I will. Thank you. Good job.
Look, the bridge is right in.
Quick, get off the bridge then. Quick. Wait for me. Oh, phew. We made it. Go back to the car now, can't we?
Oh, yeah. It is way back. It is way back, Mum.
It is, that's right. Mummy was right. Didn't get us lost, did I?
No.
Phew. 'Cause that would not be fun, would it, if we got lost? Come on then, this way.